Welcome to the Teleblog channel. Here you can find the most informative and useful videos about the Telegram Messenger. Have you not subscribed yet? Fix this right away and turn on the notifications not to miss the latest videos. We're all ordinary people. We all want to make money in one way or another, and Telegram is no exception. Not only is the messenger full of new and original functions, which we talked about in the previous video, but it's also a place where you can earn money, possibly even staying at home. Make yourself ready. We're gonna tell you the major ways of earning from Telegram. Creating a channel. The first way is to launch your own channel. Here we can have channels of two types, informative and personal. The informative channel, according to its name, will consist of information. It will be able to make money through advertising and other partnerships. Of course, you need to work hard for this to happen. First of all, you need to create a channel that they will love, that they will subscribe to and read. Owing to the fact your channel is attractive to the user, it will also be interesting to the advertiser, and you will get ad requests. You see, everything is simple. You put up ads, you get paid. By the way, there is one more way to make money in this way. Having agreed with the advertiser, you create your own unique link. And the more people follow the referral link and do something on the website profitable for the project, the more interest you get. Many channel owners in Telegram try to create as many various and useful Telegram channels as possible. They are always in search of something new, trying to experiment. And I'm sure they ultimately get great benefits from this sort of empire. The other kind of channel that you can create is a personal one, the place where you can advertise your services. Maybe you can paint beautifully, or you're a great nail technician. Advertise yourself. Create your channel, post your works there, indicate the price and give your contacts, and such a channel will likely get ad requests. Earning bots. The second way is to earn money through bots. Telegram has a large number of various bots that can help you make money. For starters, it's worth mentioning that not all bots are legitimate. According to our information, some of them only use your energy and time and don't pay what you've earned. Therefore, you should thoroughly read the reviews and recommendations on the net. The idea of almost every Telegram earning bot is that you perform specific tasks. For example, some bots give jobs for commenting pictures on Instagram. For each comment, you get a certain amount of money. Dear viewers, let us remind you that, as always, there's a significant number of internet fraudsters, so we suggest that you check one or the other Telegram bot for real payments. And don't forget to check which minimum amount you'll be allowed to cash out. After all, this is another clever ruse. You can win a few hundred, but the minimum amount you can withdraw could be 10,000. Be alert. If you got curious about earning money with bots and you want to find out real examples of legitimate bots, like this video and leave your comment below so that we can start making the new video for you. Earning with geo chats. The third type of income, and it somehow supplements our first one, is making money with geo chats. A new feature in Telegram allows the user who wants to earn money to get closer to their consumer. It's a piece of cake, really. You create a geo chat saying you're an excellent hairdresser and do haircuts at home or in the salon. Such a chat can cover the area from 100 meters to 12 kilometers around. A client will be able to find a hairdresser convenient for them geographically, as well as immediately find out about all the services and ask for information directly in the chat. Telegram community. The fourth way to earn money is through the Telegram community. I mean, look at this. You can become a content manager who works for various channels, providing them with specific content, articles, reports, news, reviews, and stuff like that. Channels value good content and are willing to pay for it. Therefore, if you have skills for this, it's worth a try. For example, you can write an article on music, which you can then sell to a channel for a reasonable price. Besides, you can be an advertising manager of the channel. You can sell ads there or purchase them and make various arrangements between advertisers. As you can see, there are enough opportunities in Telegram to make money. Some ways are more accessible, the others are more complicated, but there is always plenty to choose from. Our channel wants to wish you get stable earnings. And if you found this video fascinating and learned something new for yourself, be sure to like it and subscribe, because it motivates us to make new content for you. It was the Teleblog channel, the channel about the best messenger ever. Subscribe and be trendy.